Hello friends, this is Nitesh and welcome to my channel Code Heaven. So in previous two videos of arrays we have discussed about what is array, how we can initialize array with the values, and how we can traverse the array with the help of for loop, and how we can get the elements from the array. So in this video what we are going to do, we are just grabbing the value or dynamically enter the value into the array. Basically we will uh, give the value to array at runtime. So we know that scanf is a method through which we can give the data at runtime to a variable. So what we are going to do here, we are creating a for loop because we need to give 10 values to the array. So we need to create a for loop which is starting with the 0, which is less than equal to the 9, because it's if we start the counting from 0 to 9 it becomes total 10 counter. So I plus plus. So in that what we are going to do, we are just writing scanf method, and in this we will enter the percent %d and also the ampersand sign of a double r and its I. Let me change this I into j, basically because we have taken the I in the printing of at the time of printing the array. So we are taking j at the time of scanf the array. So here what we have did, we are starting with the 0 and ending with the 9. So we need to like create one more statement here, that enter a value. So this our for loop is complete. So let us build and run this and check. Yes, it is working. So what we are going to enter, like we are going to enter 1, then 2, then 3. We need to give total 10 values because our loop is working for 10 times. So it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So after doing enter at this time, what it will going to do, like it will print the zeroth value, zero position value of the array, which is going to be 1, and after that it will print hello world, and after that it will print traversing array, and after that it will print the all values of array which we entered, like this is our output. This is our dynamically entered value in the array. So here it printed the 1 because we printed this line, uh, 25th number line execution is this 1, and after that it will printing the hello world, the 26th number line execution, and after that the 28th number line execution is this traversing array, and after that in the loop it will going to print the complete array line by line because we used the slash n in the 30th number line. So yes, now we can say that like we can enter the values in the array dynamically, we can get the value from array dynamically, we can get the value from an array with a single position, like here we can enter direct position like 0 and grab the value, and we can get all values in the array with the help of this for loop 29th to 31 line number. And yes, so this is the basic of array, which is completed now. So I hope the concept of array is now totally understandable by you guys. So this is it for this video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hope you are liking it, and make sure that you press the like button and subscribe button of my channel. Thank you so much.